Still using an older version of VLC? Updating is a good way to get the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check for updates and install the newest VLC version safely. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is running, look at the menu bar near the top of the window. We'll use VLC's built-in update checker, so you don't need to search through random download websites. Now open the Help menu and select Check for Updates. VLC will connect to its update service and check whether a newer version is available. If you're already running the latest version, VLC will let you know. Yeah, that's the quickest way to confirm your current version is up to date. If an update is available, VLC will display information about the newer release and give you the option to download it. Select the download option and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Keep VLC open until the download process is complete. Once the installer is ready, follow the setup instructions on screen. You may need to close VLC before the installation continues. Choose the standard installation options unless you have a specific reason to change them. Then let the installer complete the update. When the installation finishes, launch VLC again. Your existing media files won't be changed by the update, and your normal VLC setup should remain available. If VLC doesn't reopen automatically, simply launch it from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. To confirm the update worked, open the Help menu and choose About VLC. You'll see the version information in the About window. Compare that version with the latest release listed on the official Videolan website. If they match, you're good to go. If the built-in updater doesn't work, you can also download VLC directly from the official Videolan website. Avoid third-party download sites because you want the genuine VLC installer. And that's it. Check for updates from VLC, download the new release, install it, and verify the version afterward. Pretty simple, right?